Alexandra Hills had the best kept secret. This is it. A home of epic proportions. Welcome to 15 Picton Drive. It's two homes as one. The main residence, you have 4 bedrooms, 3 living areas, 3 bathrooms. The second residence, you have 2 bedrooms, sunroom, and 2 living areas. You can live here as one, or you can have separate accommodation. The choice is yours.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and then maybe
Just when you think it couldn't get any better, you're on a half acre with beautiful bay breezes, a glistening in-ground pool, a 24 by 6 metre tri-steel shed accommodating 6 vehicles. It's one of a kind, so pick up the phone and ring us.
surprised you never had the guts to figure out.